Graham Rahal's looking to fight back. He's got a great run out of the last chicane. You can't block in Champ Car. That will absolutely be deemed a block. If he is not penalized for that, despite the fact that Graham Rahal got by him, I will be shocked and appalled, to be honest.
Well, yeah, it's interesting. I mean, certainly if he hadn't got past, now if he gets the move back here, it looks like he's on the inside again for turn 3. Here's Robert Dornbos there, side by side into 3. You can make it side by side through there, but it's awfully dodgy because, yes, oh no! That's Paul Tracy's got together with Graham Rahal.
Absolutely tragic, and you know what? That never should have happened because Robert shouldn't have been anywhere near him. Now we saw Paul lost his front wing. It looks like we're going to go full course caution here, bringing out the first one of the day. Tragic for Graham Rahal. Hopefully that car's still okay.
Yeah, indeed. It was a big spin there, and he certainly got collected by PT. PT, absolutely nothing he could do about it. It certainly wasn't his fault. He was very much the innocent victim, but really so is Graham Rahal, because as you say, Robert Dornbos should not have been in that position. He was clearly blocking Rahal down through that first corner. Rahal should have been able to make that pass, and then he would have been long gone. Here's a replay as they go side by side into the corner, and then Graham is completely offline. PT gets alongside him there. I still don't think it was really PT's fault. He was certainly pushing the issue, though, I have to say.
Yeah, that was it was tough. I mean, this, of course, the pass Graham Rahal made on Dornbos into corner 1. And then
he was very much compromised on the exit there, wasn't he?
He absolutely was. Robert should not have had anywhere near a good run if he was on the racing line. He should have been on. And you can go side by side through 3. This was a good battle. Robert, he was very aggressive. Did not give Graham much room at all. And then Graham just kind of got turned around there. Was able to, he looks like he stalled the engine, was able to just get it back fired.
That was lucky, wasn't it?
Very lucky. You know what? I do blame Paul.
Yeah.
Paul made a mistake. He got in there a little bit too hot. You know, obviously, Graham's entry to that corner was compromised. Paul should have known his exit was going to be a bit slower, and he just got in a bit too eager there, I think. Yeah.